With KTK meteorologist John Adams, man, the rain has been coming down. Is the rain going to get out of here, or are we going to have some more showers today?
We're going to have some more storms this afternoon as things continue to heat up. We had some activity overnight in East Texas. Some of those storms got pretty strong. Right now we're showing 76 degrees as we look over Longview with a north-northwest wind at 6. Relative humidity at 94%. That means there's a lot of moisture in the air. That puts the dew point at about 74 there. And you can see that those dew points are pushing close to 80 in parts of deep East Texas and in the 70s all the way up to the I-30 corridor. So you got the moisture in place, you got the heating that continues to build this afternoon, and you've got some leftover boundaries plus a front in the area. We got all the ingredients there for at least kicking off some thunderstorms this afternoon. Our temperatures right now in the 80s in deep East Texas, falling into the 70s in the northern part of the area. Basically, we've got a south wind in the southern parts of the area, and we do have the front that is bringing those north winds, starting to turn them a little more northerly as that tries to sag further southward into the area. So we've got those two things going on, plus forecast highs this afternoon, so those temperatures will continue to rise. Low 90s for deep East Texas to mid 80s as you move northward across the interstates. You put that moisture in there as well, and it's going to feel like it's about 100 to 102 degrees this afternoon, so keep that in mind. That heat index starting to go into play. Make sure you stay hydrated. This morning we had some thunderstorms again in East Texas. By the time this picture was taken, those had pretty much dissipated, but we did have a few severe thunderstorm warnings and even a couple of tornado warnings, although no verification on that. Those thunderstorms continue over the southern and southeastern portions of the country in this very warm, moist air mass, and we're still getting those severe thunderstorm warnings in effect from parts of Alabama across Georgia and over into the Carolinas. So that storm system continues to affect that portion of the country. Futurecast shows again we've got the front in the area. 3 o'clock in the afternoon should be just about ready to see those showers and thunderstorms pop off, and there they go into the late afternoon and into the evening. They will be covering a large part of deep East Texas, at least according to the model there. And then as we go into the night and up toward midnight, we should see these begin to play out just a bit and move on out of the area. It'll leave behind some cloud cover briefly, and then by noon we're into some sunshine there on Friday, and those north winds will make the temperatures a little bit cooler. So at least we'll salvage a couple of days this week where we expect to have some pretty good weather, one of those including Saturday. And then as we get into Sunday and early next week, we will start to see some showers and thunderstorms make their way back into the area. The severe outlook has all of East Texas in an enhanced risk for severe storms. The primary threats with this system is going to be the large hail and the damaging winds. Pretty high chance of that developing in any thunderstorms that are near where you are. And we'll have a low risk of tornadoes, so that's good news, and the possibility of some flooding because of the saturated grounds from all the rain that we've had recently. Today we look for a high around 86. Watch for the thunderstorms to start developing around 4 this afternoon. Some of those could be severe. Our winds will be easterly and more easterly behind that front as it continues to sag southward into the area. The low 64 degrees overnight. Thunderstorms mainly before midnight. Some again could be severe, and then on Friday we'll have some sunshine, temperature up to 80 degrees, and be a little cooler because of the northeasterly breeze. Now then, over the next 7 days, we expect to see a pretty good weekend coming up. Early next week, showers and thunderstorms will be back in the picture, and we'll be warming up by midweek back into the mid 80s. In deep East Texas, showers and thunderstorms today and tonight. A good weekend for you, at least half of it, and then showers and thunderstorms early next week. You can find that forecast at our website, KETK.com.
John, thank you.